Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Put this right here. Good morning, guys. Sorry, it looks a little dark on the camera. I don't know why it's showing up so dark this morning, but we're just going to have to rock and roll. It is what it is. But good morning. Thanks again for tuning in. It's going to be a busy day. Sorry for hopping on a little bit late. So I'm going to try and speed through this a little bit or kind of go through this pretty quick because we got a lot of things to look at. So let's just hurry up and start it off with LJPC. So LJPC, if you're not familiar, it was a stock yesterday, kind of picked up middle of the day, kind of late morning, went from like $5, now sitting at 13. Got some pretty good news. So watching this, weird. Yeah, I don't know what's going on right now. Sorry, couldn't tell you. There we go. That should now be good. All right. Yeah, jobs report just came in. No audio. We're back on. We're back on, guys. Everyone stop freaking out. No. um, with that being said, anyways, LJPC got news yesterday. Spikes up, continuing into today's trading day. If you're on Thinkorswim, this has shares to short. So most oftentimes penny stocks will not have shares to short on Thinkorswim, but this stock does. So it makes it a little interesting because most oftentimes you can't short these on Thinkorswim, but now we can. We're actually able to short. So this is interesting. It's fun, but it's still squeezing up. So if you look at the daily chart, it's going to be over its 200 moving average support. Next real resistance we have is at about the $14 mark. So going to be watching this long initially out of the gates and then short. So first long, then short. I think we might see this fall short on the day, so that's primarily what I'm doing. I'm watching the short bias. We've had our first one-day run-up yesterday, didn't fall short. Today's the second-day run, looking for it to fall and fade out a little bit later today, probably closer towards $14, okay? Yeah, we did have the power did go off the other day, and it might have messed some things up, but I still couldn't tell you why the audio is coming through terrible. So let's jump over to BYND. I'm just going to run through these fast if the audio is being all goofy. So BYND has earnings from like 98, basically $100, shoots up to 120, $130. A lot of people have still been watching this. A lot of people are crazy about BYND. You might as well keep BYND on watch today for a long trade. Initially because the stock is so hyped up, and chances are after this 30-point jump on earnings, everyone's going to freak out and think that BYND is the absolute like god and savior of the stock market. So they might push this thing up, very fast. It might be an aggressive, hyped momentum trading stock today. So that's why you should watch it. Other than that, that's basically about it. All right, on to the next one, which is going to be DOCU. DOCU is another earnings play. Interesting because it's a gap down. All of a sudden holds support really well at about $43, starts curling up to about 47. A lot of times when we have these U-shaped U-shaped gap downs, every once in a while they'll kind of squeeze all the way back up to where they started, creating for a really good long play. So today going to initially be watching DOCU for a slight pullback and then maybe a push all the way back up towards 50, 54, 53, 55, depending on what the momentum looks like. So watching this long. Alrighty, what else do we have? Oh, ZM. Okay, Zoom, another earnings report. Again, just jumping from 78 all the way to 92, a recent IPO. This is pretty bullish on the day. Definitely going to be watching Zoom long bias. We've gapped up, it grinded up, it's holding highs right now. It looks really good. There is going to be no previous resistance because it's over. Pretty sure it's over. Let's double check. Yep, yeah, it's over its previous top in resistance. So really just looking for a long pay kind of breakout on Zoom today. Okay. Now that I've gotten through all of that, that is basically all of the stocks that I'm watching for today, guys. So apologize about it. So apologize about the cracking of the audio or whatever it might be. I apologize. It's not what I want it to be. But with that being said, I don't want your guys' ears to bleed any more than they already have here this morning. So we'll go ahead and just end the stream early. Again, I haven't changed anything on my streaming setup, so this is really random to me. This happens every once in a while, but it's like, don't really know what it is because nothing has actually changed. So thoughts on large caps today? If the market goes down, large caps are going down. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, so I'm going to, oh yeah, by the way, I would start being a little bit more bearish in terms of, like the short time frame, more bearish on the market. We bounced, we were long on the bounce, and now we should be short off the bounce or more bearish, right? We might not be going down today, but we might not be going down today, but I don't really see us having any more really explosive green days right now. Okay. Again, audio is terrible. We're going to end the stream here, but I will see you guys on Monday morning for another trading day. So everybody take care. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you come Monday morning.